Hello guys, what's your name and which grade are you guys studying in?
My name is Janatu Mawanha. I'm in standard 3.
Okay.
My name is Manham Shaheen and I'm studying in class 3 Mercury.
Okay, so both of you guys are in class 3. So you're studying in this school for how long?
At least like 6 years.
6 years.
At least like 3 to 4 years.
Wow, for 4 years. That's so great. So I want to ask, what's your favorite subject and what did you learn in the subject recently?
My favorite subject is history. We learned about Ruqya.
Oh, okay,
Begum
Ruqya, Begum Ruqya, yeah. So did you feel motivated or did you get inspired reading her story?
Yes.
Yes?
She was really strong. Her story was really nice.
Right.
Her
That's.
history is nice.
I think she was the first Bengali woman,
No, Islamic feminist.
Islamic feminist, right? So that's great that you know our history so well and you're learning it and getting inspired by the actual heroes. That you can be motivated by listening to their stories. So that's great. So what's your favorite subject and what did you learn in it recently?
My favorite subject is geography and we recently learned about volcanoes.
Oh wow! So you're learning about volcanoes and your favorite subject is geography. So can you tell me one active volcano or a mountain or volcano that you want to go to see?
I want to visit the Mt. Etna in Italy.
Okay, wow, that's so wonderful. And when I was little, I remember wanting to go to Mount Fuji and then see the volcano from there. So that's amazing that you want to go see an active volcano. You have the heart in you. So that's great. So my next question to you guys would be, who's your favorite teacher and what did he or she do that made you like or love them?
My favorite teacher is Nadifa Miss. She teaches really well.
Okay,
Her
wow.
English is really nice. So
Nice, okay, that's great. So what subject does she teach?
she teaches history.
History, okay, that's wonderful. So your favorite subject teacher made you love history more. And what's your favorite? Who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sabine Norin Mes. She takes our Bangla class and she teaches us very nicely.
Okay, wow. So Sabrina Miss inspired you in Bangla, and she is teaching you more about that. So that's lovely. And one last question that I would like to know is, what's one thing that you would tell to a new student that just came to academia?
I would tell them that there's lots of new clubs to join, like debate club, chess club, and all those things.
Right.
And I would tell them that the teachers are all so nice and how they should be more encouraged and motivated by all those subjects.
Wow, thank you so much. And that is true that as we grow up, we need to get more involved into extracurricular activities. The ones you just said, like debate class, the more extracurricular you join, the better it is for your future in university. So what's the one thing you tell to a new student that came to academia?
I would say that the school's education system is really nice. Everyone speaks fluent English, and the teachers are very motivating. They're really
Okay,
nice.
wow, that's so sweet to hear from you, and hearing how you are motivated by our teachers, that's really lovely. And hearing that you guys are learning so many new things, except for all the science subject or all the basic important ones, but that's really good to hear from you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.